Cue the drama, folks. We're diving into Yellowstone's iconic showdown, bison versus elk. Imagine a heavyweight boxing match, only this one's got hooves and horns. In one corner, we have the burly bison, a powerhouse tipping the scales at over a ton. In the other, the agile elk, an endurance champ, swift and nimble. It's like comparing a bulldozer to a race car, each with its own set of strengths. The bison, with its brute strength, and the elk with its speed and agility. It's a clash of titans, folks, but remember, in the wild it's not always the biggest and the strongest that wins. Sometimes it's the smartest and the fastest. So, who'd win in a showdown? Well, that's a tale for another day. For now, let's just admire these magnificent beasts in their natural habitat. Until next time, keep exploring